In this video I'm gonna show you how to tag any person in your Instagram story. So for this, first of all, open our Instagram application, then click the your story option, and now take a picture. Now you can see there is a text option at the upper right corner. Tap on this. So here is the most important thing: before typing the person name that you wanna tag, please add a @ sign, then type the name of the person that you wanna tag. So I type a name. Now you can see many profile here, so select the person or profile that you wanna tag. So I select one and then click done. Now you can move it anywhere on your display, then click send to, and now click share. After click share, then click done, and we are done. So let's prove it. You can see my tag has been added in my story. So in this process you can add a tag in your Instagram stories. I think you understand the full video. If you have any problem, please comment. I will reply your comment as soon as possible. And if you think this video is useful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. So goodbye, have a nice day.